In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GIF using Canva, whether you're looking to create something fun for social media or a dynamic addition to your presentations. Canva makes it easy to design and export GIFs. Let's walk through the process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log into your account or create one if necessary. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by Canva's home interface, which is where you can start on various design projects. For this tutorial, we're going to either create a new video template or upload an existing video that you'd like to convert into a GIF. To do this, simply click on Create a Design at the top right corner of your dashboard and select Video from the drop-down menu. You also have the option to upload your video by clicking on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar and then choosing a file from your device. Canva supports several video file formats, making it pretty flexible for different users. With your video set up in Canva, the next step is all about adding some creative elements to make your GIF eye-catching. You can explore the wide array of graphics, illustrations, and text options available in Canva's library to modify your video. Simply drag and drop the elements you like onto your video. Don't worry about getting everything perfect on the first try. You can easily adjust colors, fonts, and sizes to fit your aesthetic. After adding these elements, take some time to edit your video to your liking. You can trim the video length, reposition elements, and even add animations. Consider your audience and the message you want your GIF to convey as you make your adjustments. A well-edited video can significantly enhance the impact of your GIF. Next, it's time to save and download your creation. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with several options, including Download. Click on Download, and a new window will prompt you to choose the file type. Here, select GIF from the file type options. Canva allows you to download your video design as a GIF, giving it that animation quality you're aiming for. Once you've selected GIF as your format, click on Download and wait for the file to process, and voila, your GIF is ready to share. You now have a handy GIF saved to your device that you can upload to your favorite platforms, email to friends, or use in presentations. Creating GIFs with Canva is straightforward and opens up a world of creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!